Hello guys, and today I am playing Trophies Quest TV shows. And 1 second, those zombies are creeping me out. And so is that. Is that meant to be a Twitter bird? No, that's just wrong. And why is he smiling like that's freaky? Okay, let's just start. That's a bit weird. Why am I on that? Oh. I don't know why. Why does it say I'm stink? Don't know. Okay. Look at his face. How can he do that? Let me try. Nope, I can't do it. So let's try and... Oh. That's better. Why are they laughing like that? That's so scary. Right, let's click the next clip. Right, see, before I go any further, my channel used to be Maria Ward, but there was only one reason it was called that, because I was using my iOS. But the Samsung is, I like my Samsung now because I can choose my option stuff, which is pretty good. But on the thingy on my channel it says C, but nah, don't like it very much. Anyway, so how do you do this? Do you tap on him? Oh, but his skateboard! His skateboard, for crying out loud. Why would they leave that? Take it. Well, they could probably replace it. Oh, he's got an itchy head. Did he just crack his neck? Oh. He's got a bright idea. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for SpongeBob and that zombie. Got something in my eye. Why would he have to die? Okay. He's very happy, but she's a bit ugly. Anyway, let's start. What do we... Oh, that doesn't look anything like them. Oh, wait, what? Ah! Do they laugh? No? Oh, he laughs. So you were just in a costume. Right, let's just get that done for you. You like it? Oh, sword. Oh, it's not sword. Oh. Come on. I don't know what's wrong. What's happened? Oh! I was resting my hand on the clock. That's what you have to... Oh, no, please! Why would that happen? Right, let's start. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? That is sad. You guys are sad. I can't. Oh my. A zombie in jail. You guys are saddos. Look. You don't even see the zombie, do you? Oh my gosh. You're from that cell. Did you murder someone? Stupid. You shouldn't be laughing. Hello? It's me. Hello? It's me. Sin's heart, whatever that says. He's tall. Oh. Okay. I'm doing this all by accident. Why is he always coming up? Look at the big guy. On the telephone. Oh. Let's try out the breath too. A sword. 1 minute. Sword. Why does it got a horse as a face? This is confusing. Right. Got it. Oh. Okay, I guess we finished it and his laugh was pure evil. Oh. 201. Guys, he lives in number 201. Even though I don't know the address or anything like that. Because I'm just a kid. Yeah. Oh, I think I've seen this. What happened? I want the sound. Where did the sound go? That's sad. You should be ashamed. Where's all the sound gone? No. Where's all the sound gone? Is the sound... Okay. Why is all the sound not there? Why is all the sound not there? Oh. So guys, I guess we're gonna have to pretty much end the video here anyway. So, 1 second. Right, leave a like and subscribe so these guys do not get eaten alive by zombies. Leave a like. RIP for those guys. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.